Say, I wish to see the ghost like multiple times.
I wish to see the ghost. I wish to see the ghost.
Give it to the blue
Yeah,
guy.
give it to me,
maybe.
give it to me. I wish to see the ghost.
Yo, it killed me, bro! What the fuck?
May summoning circle yan sa baba.
Ayaw. Tara boy. Putang ina kasi ni John Ray.
Uy na mo, nagtago na nga ako eh.
Saan ba siya?
Yung camera daw, walang
Na.
Wait lang! No bro.
Wala.
Ito, isa palagi namamatay. Uy, gago.
Ako,
Uy,
Dan.
gago. Uy, gago.
Nandel.
Wait, buhay na lahat eh. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Takbo dun sa ano dyan del garage.
Lul.
Ay, gago ka, ba't mo ginamit? Yari ka dyan del.
Ang ginawa mo? Ano ginawa mo? Sabi
Ginamit
kita!
yung spirit box, gago.
Puto ina mo! Gago ka!
Less recorded
Hello, Leslie,
location
are you
pa naman yun.
Oh shit, oh shit. Nandito siya.
Puto ina mo, huwag ka may...
Wait, open natin to. Favorite ano natin to.
Restart na ka, restart.
Start. Ako? Carlos Martin, where are you? Carlos Martin. Carlos Martin. Carlos Martin, where are you? Carlos Martin, where are you? Oh shit. Wala. Hindi siya nagpapakita. Oh shit!
Ayan. Ayan, hinahanap mo ano. Ano? Ayan. Ayan naman.
Play mo lang, play mo na.
Huwag ka dyan. Uy, uy, dyan na likod mo.
Wala na.
Ako patay. Saan sa mga...
Uy, gago, nandun o patay.
Itong ina mo ah. Ano?
Banche, gago.
Ang ina mo ah.
Oh, tiya ginamit. Gago ka dyan del, buti hindi pa ako nakakapasok.
Ina niya, nasa loob ako.
Buhang ni Jandel. Nasa loob. Nasa
Yan,
loob din
gago
si
ka.
Jandel eh. Uy, gago ba't ang bilis na?
Oo, tang ina mo, nasa likod ko.
Gago, nagagapang.
Right.
Right. Oh shit, may camera ka pala.
Auntie!
Yun, patay. Goodbye.
Sim. Basta ako magapahamon.
Ay, ikaw ba kababoy?
Hunting. Hunting. Oh, hunting yan.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, ako yung patay. Bro, katabi ko yung namatay. Bro, you died.
What the fuck? Yun ay dagan. Ano yung ano na mailing?
Alam. Oy.
Paranormal.
Oh, puta! Ay, hindi naman yung nakikita.
Hey, give us a sign, motherfucker.
I'm sorry.
Ayan nga, hindi siya nakikipag-usap sa akin. Try nga kausapin.
Hunting.
Baka kaya target eh.
Hunting. Hunting.
Si LA. Bago. What? Nakapasok si John Deck?
Nakapasok.
Ano nakapasok John Deck?
Dahil.
Okay na. Oo na.
And then paano ako nakapasok? What the fuck?
Kaya nga. Balak yung pintuan.
Ito rin dire-diretso yung pinandal eh.
Dala kayong camera?
Dito?
May dala kayong camera?
Meron.
Pogi yung... Uy! Putang ina! Ulul ka, tang ina mo. Oh, putang ina! Yee! Labas na ako, putang ina niya. Hindi pwede magtago dyan. Ang meron lang... Ay, tama pala.
Tangina, nag-event lang, putang ina nyo. I wish to be safe. See, no work. Bro, it no work.
Hindi ba bumaba?
Wala na ba?
Can I hide? Oh, may hiding spot sa basement. Gusto niyo malaman. Ba't nandito agad? Nag-set up agad kayo dito.
Diyan sa Curse Mirror.
Bakit? Uy,
Stop. Ilan?
uy, 3. Interaction. Okay, super.
Are you here? Where are you? Are you here? Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you young? Are you old? Are you here? Where are you? Are you here? Are you here? Where are you? Are you here? Are you young? Are you fresh?
Gago, nasa likod ni John Ray.
Are you here?
Nagsalita.
Are you?
Nandito, hindi, nandito.
Are you here?
Sa banda.
Where are you? Are you here?
Pinahin dito. Yes, I know, bro. Give us a sign, bro, again.
2, 1.
Hindi ko na-picturean. I'm still alive. Picturean ko ba? Napicturean ko pala.
Meron ka ba?
Oo, picturean ko.
Namatay ka?
Hindi, nilulog ko.
Shala, sana all.
Hey, yo, dancing with the devil. Putang ina
Ako
mo!
naked.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Nightmare.
Oh, okay. Nightmare daw. Eh.
Alright, let's die together.
It sounds
Long as I suck your dick, bro.
very romantic, bro.
What the hell?
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Kailangan is-match yung ano,
Hmm.
area.
No,
ng
bro,
ghost.
bro died.
No!
No, bro.
Oh no!
We will take a picture of you, don't worry. We have your
Don't worry,
insurance.
have assurance. Yes. Ganapan sa area.
Okay, anong ghost? Wala na si bro. Die.
Kailangan na, we need to give him a proper burial.
Shit, how do we do that? Do we have shovels?
Na daw? Kata ni John Ray ko.
I'm saving my film. It's a revenant! It's a revenant!
Oh, bilis.
Hunting pa?
Oh,
need the escape the ghost during the hunt. Meron na ba tayong evidence?
Opo.
Ano?
Oh shit, bro! It fucking hits on me.
Anong evidence?
Fingerprints yun pa lang.
Oh, that's ano phantom? Di ba yung phantom nasigaw?
Nag-hiss siya.
Ang galing!
Oh shit, I'm so scared, bro.
I'll hold your hands, don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
I'll hold your schlong if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, it's singing,
Oh,
it's
it's
hunting,
hunting.
it's hunting. It's hunting.
Nasa taas.
Hide, bro, hide. Oh, it's upstairs.
Ay,
Hoy, putang ina mo. Kunin mo ka.
nag-event, nasa kitchen, gago. Uy.
Uh-oh, run away.
Oh fuck, I'm dead!
You died?
No, I'm looking at it.
Well, it is.
Oh no, I'm dead! I'm dead, no! Hey yo, bitch. Give us a sign! Give us a sign! Where are you? Are you here? Are you close? Are you pizza? How old are you? How old are you?
Miss
Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you? Where are you?
Yo,
Where are you? Yo, you wanna
Kate.
smoke? Yo, you wanna smoke some?
Oh shit! I like how we all been quiet.
Kevin Anderson, are you here?
Do something.
Kevin Anderson.
Oh fuck!
Yatos.
Bro, it spawned right in front of me!
Okay, you're gonna break it. Chill out. You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it. Yo. Quake is, I don't know. But right now I'm trying to take a picture of Phantom.
From here, ghosty. I don't know.
That is a polar beast, of course.